Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an EA account. If you want to create an account on EA, let me show you how it is done on your mobile device. The first thing is to open up any browser of your choice, and you need to search for ea.com. Once you search for ea.com, you need to click on this icon at the top right here. Once you click on it, you're going to see Create Account, so click on that. Once you click on Create Account, you can create an account using any of these options. You can also enter your country and your date of birth to create an account. So I'm just going to make use of my Google account. Click on any of the options of your choice, and I'm going to create the account real quick. It is very easy and straightforward. Just scroll down and click on Continue. As you can see, we have created the account successfully. You can also create an account using your email address instead. Now, you need to enter your date of birth. Let me select the month, and I'm going to enter the year as well. Once you're done, tap on Next. Then, enter your email address and tap on Next. After that, enter the verification code sent to your email. Next, create your EA ID along with your password. Make sure your password is strong and easy for you to remember. After that, accept all the terms and conditions, then tap on Create Account. So as you can see, we have successfully created the account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. The first thing